Hi guys, and welcome to this educational live chat analysis video for today. So in this particular chat, as you guys can see here, there is a bit gap down here, and after the gap down we can see the price has fallen down and it has touched this support level. Okay, so let me draw a line here in this support level. Okay, so again today it has touched that support level. So this was a previous day where it has touched this support level and it has consolidated and gone up a bit, and today again you can see here a red candle has been formed. Okay, so let me just zoom in on that so that you can see it clearly. So yes, let me just delete this line. So yeah, so this is the support level. Okay, and we can see here even on the previous day this support was taken, and today also once this support level has touched we can see a quick bounce back in the price. So let's see how this chart will perform for today. Okay, so this will be a buyer's zone according to the technical view. So let's see from here how the uh, price will perform. Okay, so will it go up or will it come down? Let's observe. Okay, so let's consider this as one of a key resistance level, and this level has key support level. So let's see how it will perform. So if the support is taken we can see the price will increase. Okay, or if the support is not taken we can see the price might decrease. Okay, so this video is only for educational purpose and does not contain any investment advices. Okay, so let's see how it will perform for today. Okay, and also if you guys are interested in learning and improving your knowledge on trading, you can contact on the telegram id mentioned on the screen for more educational details. Okay, so guys, yes, it's been a while now, and as you guys can see here, right now a red candle is being formed. So there are chances it might test the support level in the downside again. So if the support level is held, then only the price might go up. If it's not held, then there are chances the price might come down. So always while trading, we have to keep the target and stop loss, and we have to follow the trading discipline. Okay, so we should not trade anytime without the target or without the stop loss. Okay, so if in case the trade goes against to you or opposite to you, so the stop loss can save you and you can exit with the stop loss. Okay, so as of now we can see here the price is declining yet. Okay, so it might come near the support level or it might give a fake breakout as well. So we need to be ready with our targets and stop loss whenever we are trading, and we have to follow the trading discipline. Okay, so anyway, let's watch and observe how the price will fluctuate. So it's still in between the resistance level or in between the support level. As you guys can see here, it has taken the support and it has gone up a bit, and right now it's again retracing towards the downside. So if the momentum continues towards the downside, then we can see the price might give a breakout. So if in case if it takes the supports again, then we can see the price might get increased here. Okay, so anyway, let's observe and watch how it will perform, and please note this is only for educational purpose. And if you guys are interested in learning more, you can contact on the telegram id mentioned on the screen for more details. Okay, so let's wait for some time and watch how the chart will perform for today. Okay, so as of now it's bit range bounded, it's fluctuating there itself, so not yet given a momentum towards the upper side or downside yet. So let's wait for some time and watch how it will perform. Okay, so guys, yes, it's been a while now, and again we can see here the price has touched the support level. We can see one red candle which has formed and went a bit below the support level, and later we can see the next candle what it is being formed here is a green candle. So if this green candle shows a volume in a buying range, then we can see price might increase, or even if this candle becomes a red candle, continuous red candle on the support level, then we might see the price get rejected on the support level and the price might decrease as well. So let's observe how the price will react from here. Okay, so as of now it's right above the support level what we had on the previous day as well. So let's wait and watch how the price will perform for today. Okay, so this is a price action analysis learning what we get to see from this particular chart here. Okay, so this is educational analysis. Okay, so yes, so guys, yes, it's been a while now, and as you guys can see here, the price has now increased from that support level. So we can see here on that support line, we had like a red candle which has been formed and took a support, and later the big volume of buyers came in and the price has been pushed up, as you guys can see. So this was today's analysis for price action. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.